Hi everyone, this is Miss Lenora from Scotch Plains Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Scholastic's database called TrueFlix. And TrueFlix is geared towards grades 3 through 7, ages 8 through 11, and it really is a great resource. It contains science and history content with interactive ebooks, projects, and activities. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our library website, and you can type in Scotch Plains Public Library in your browser, or you can go to scotlib.org. So whatever is easier for you. If you decided to search in the browser, it should be the first link that comes up. You can go ahead and click on that, and this will bring you to our main front page of our website. So there are a couple of different access points to get to this resource. We're going to go over a couple of them, which involves going onto the children's section of the page. So you're going to go ahead and click on children, and this will bring you to our children's landing page. So this is the front page of the children's page. So you can get to TrueFlix either by clicking on books and more or homework and assignment help. So if we go to books and more, we're just waiting for that to load. You're going to browse down just a little bit, all the way down to where you see electronic books and audiobooks. And over there, from the fourth one from the top, there's a link that says Scholastic Databases. Once you click on that, it'll take you to another screen, which then gives you an overview of all of the youth services online materials available to you. And TrueFlix is the fourth one from the first section, children's books, movies, music, and music. The other way to access TrueFlix, again, is through the homework and assignment help. So if you were to click on that, you can access TrueFlix again from various resources. So you can get it through the reading and book reviews, and that one is right after the bag of books. We have electronic books. It's the second one. You can also get it on history and culture, and that one is the first one that shows up. And then the last one, because it does feature science books, is on science and nature. So, and that one is the second one from the top. Again, these are just different access points to help you find where to access these resources from our website. So we try to add multiple ones so it's the least bit confusing for you, and then this way you can find it throughout the website. So it doesn't matter which one you click on, as long as you click on TrueFlix, it's going to take you to a page that says Welcome Scotch Plains Public Library, and here you're going to put in your library card. And if you don't have a library card with us, you're more than welcome to contact us through email, or you can call us, and of course you can always visit us. We are doing appointments, so you're able to schedule an appointment to come see us. And this particular resource is only available for Scotch Plains Public Library card holders. So if you are not a Scotch Plains Public Library card holder, I encourage you to contact your home library and see if they're willing to subscribe or able to subscribe to this resource. So after you log in, you're going to be taken to a different page. So let's log in. And so this is the TrueFlix home page, and it's broken up in two different sections. So you have the people, places, and history section, and then you have the science and nature. And in the middle here, they feature different books. I believe they update monthly. I could be wrong. It could update a little more frequently. So the good thing about Scholastic's resources is a lot of them run very similar. So if you've used one, it's pretty much the same as other databases. So to get started, I'm going to show you a one of the people, places, and history books, and then I'm also going to show you one of the science and nature books. And then we'll also go over some of the resources and tools. So if you are an educator watching this, we will highlight that for you. So if we go into the people, places, and history, and we click on biographies, it's going to bring up all of the True Book series that they have for biographies. So you can see here that there are 10 different biography titles. And what happens when you click on one, so let's see, we'll do Harriet Tubman. And then it brings up this page. So each item has its own left-hand sidebar, its own video which relates to the story, and then of course the text. So over here on the left, they'll have start, which is the page that we're on, watch the video, read the book, explore more, project ideas, activity center, explore the web, and then you can go back to the biography page. So the video is just a general video. They're not that long. And when you click on it, it'll give you the option to view it either in screen or you can also expand it, and there is an option for captions. To read the book, that will also take you, it'll change the page a little bit, and if you're reading it on a tablet, the interface it's very tablet friendly. So it's, again, this is generally how Scholastic does their ebooks. So if you've read other Scholastic ebooks on other Scholastic resources, they're very similar. So over on the right hand side, there's an arrow for the next page, and when you click on that, it'll just take you to that next page. And then up here they have a read to me option, so they'll have a narrator reading the book. You can zoom in or zoom out, fit to page which I am already on. You can also zoom in full screen, and then you can click on table of contents if there is something in particular you're looking for, or something that you are interested in. So if you're doing a research project. And then I just randomly clicked on this page here, and you'll see that there are some highlighted words. These have to do with the activities that they have later on. So they have a couple of different things. So these are just keywords that are highlighted, and you can click on them and they'll tell you how to pronounce them and the definition. So that's an overview of how their ebooks work. When you're done reading it, you just click on close and it'll take you back to that main page again. Now on the Explore More button, they have here Scholastic articles. So these are all different articles related to the story or person. They have a project idea. So here, if you are interested in doing a project related to the person or story, they definitely have that. They guide you through that. They have the activity center, which again, this will go over those words that were highlighted throughout the text. So show what you know, and then they have a word match as well. So these are just kind of different things just to see what you got out of the story, or to kind of test to see how much you remember from the story. Explore the web. This is a resource that Scholastic provides. These are not Scholastic's links, so they do have a disclaimer. So it just lets you know that they maintain third parties and they don't control them. So it's important to be aware of that. And then you can click on more biographies and it'll take you back to that biography page. So that's just really quick the people, places, and history, we're going to click on the home screen, which is located in the top left section. And then just to show you really quick, the science and nature, we'll click on earth science here. And again, it's very similar. All the topics are on the left hand side. And then we'll click on, let's see, ecology here. So again, same exact format. So I'm not going to go through all of this. Now you may have seen this little star here that on the bottom right that says lesson plan. When you click on that, and again, this is for educators or anybody that's, doing a subject on this topic. This is a lesson plan that Scholastic has written out, and they have these throughout the whole resource, the whole database here. And it gives you everything you need for the to do a lesson on this topic. So they have the content, grades, they have the timeline, materials you would need, the objectives, and as you scroll down, you'll see they have activities, assignments, and wrap up and extension questions. You can also download PDF version of it, and then over on the right hand side you'll see a link that says curriculum correlations, and this actually brings up another link. So if you are writing lesson plans and you need to include these, they have a drop down here so you can select which ones you're using, but it does default to New Jersey because we are in New Jersey, and it gives you those lists that you might need. So whatever correlations you might need. Now that's the general overview of how to use TrueFlix. I hope you have fun using this resource. I am going to continue a little bit further to go over the resources and tools, which is up in the top right hand corner. So when you click on that, this brings you to all of their lesson plans. So if you don't want to click throughout the website and you just want to view everything, so here you can see the titles, lesson plans, and the quizzes related to each title that they have available, and it's a pretty long list. So that is definitely available for you, and you can sort by title, subject, category, Lexile, and then ATOS. So that is a great resource for educators or parents. They also have web links here. Now these are all the links that they have in alphabetical order through the database again, so if you're interested in those. And then they have a resource tab. So the resources again just goes over what they use and how they kind of go over that information. So they give you an overview on how it works in schools, libraries, and at home. And there's also a link for downloadables. And these are anything that if you wanted to download a poster or add a button to your desktop. So all different things on here. They have a newsletter. So this is, just general resources if you wanted to use this in your classroom. And again, generally overview. They also have a Google Classroom button here, so you can definitely explore that as well. So if you have any additional questions about how to use this resource, please reach out to us and we can go over things in more detail for you. Thank you for listening. Bye.